Are you looking to export OneNote to Word doc? We've got you covered. We'll show you 2 easy methods for convert OneNote to Word doc. Let's see the manual method to export OneNote to Word. Using the Save As option, open OneNote, go to File, then Export, and select Current Page. Choose Doc or DocX as the file format, click Export, and then Save. Now let's check the Pro method to export OneNote to Word. That's where the BitRecover OneNote to Word Converter Wizard comes in. Just visit the official BitRecover website and download our OneNote to Word conversion tool. Launch the software, and click Next to begin. Add OneNote files or folders. Select the files you want to export. Choose Doc or DocX as saving format. Set the destination path. And lastly, click Convert. Let's have a look at the comparison between the manual and professional methods. And that's all for this video. Visit the given product link today to download the product. For any queries, email us at support@bitrecover.com.